Now this is some video I took. It's an insurance renewal roof survey. You see where I am. I'm in Soho. Look at that. That's a lovely view here. And I'm actually using the drone just to record myself up here because it's interesting. I can get it to move around and do more things. But you can see the first thing I had to do is get access, which parking here was a nightmare, but that's part of my job. And I just have to go around and have a look at the roof, make sure everything's okay. It's really interesting doing renewal surveys because I have to be careful on what I'm actually going to report on. I've got a remit from the customer that the insurance company wants to know what the condition of the roof is. And where do you stop with this? I always stop with the roof and the flashings around the outside. But even though I'm there at the moment walking over this roof, you'll see me bouncing my feet up and down. I've also got a bag which I keep picking up, and while I'm there I might as well pick up any rubbish. I mean, it's foolish not to, but the reason I'm doing this is because I'm trying to report back to the customer what I can feel coming up from inside the roof at the same time. So the document that I will prepare for the customer for the insurance renewal will be different to other information that I will give the customer. It will only include the roof and the condition of the roof and what I consider it will last for. So it might say, if this roof is kept clean and maintained. Oh, by the way, this is a photograph. While I'm going around, you just saw me taking photographs. As I go around, I take different photographs of different areas of the roof because the photographs are important to put into the report. I can't put, like for instance here, there's new flashings. I can report on the flashings. I can report on the condition of all of this area. What I won't do is report on actually the wall itself, not in the report. If I put that kind of information in the report, it's like this, the condition of this skylight. They're not interested in that. They're interested in the roof. So we don't want to bring in stuff that may make this fail. We only want to put on it the stuff that is going to go through and help them with the insurance renewal. That covers me because that's all I've been asked to do. However, of course, I will give, whilst I'm there, I'm going to give other information on the roof, and I'm going to say, look, the roof is fine. It could last another 3 to 5 years. Interestingly, I'd report this here because this area here is where it's getting a lot of water standing there. I look down, make sure all the outlets are nice and clear, and have a good look around, and generally make sure that everything is absolutely fine. So this gives you a good idea of what happens when we're doing an inspection of a roof for a roof insurance renewal. If you need any more information, please get back to me. Speak soon.